Tesla alarms often trigger due to Sentry mode's sensitivity to motion and vibrations, or interior motion detecting movement inside. Recent software updates, version 2025.2 and later, have improved AI-driven motion detection, reducing false alarms by 40 to 50%. However, issues persist, especially in older models or areas with variable weather. To address this, first, disable and re-enable Sentry mode via the touchscreen or app to reset the system. Then, adjust the Sentry mode sensitivity slider in the Tesla app, Controls, Safety and Security. Setting it to low or enabling motion only can help. For interior motion false alarms, you can disable it in the vehicle's settings under Locks and consider using Dashcam for interior monitoring. If basic adjustments fail, ensure your Tesla is running the latest software by checking for over-the-air updates. Tesla is increasingly using AI to differentiate between genuine threats and benign activity. A key trend is AI-integrated security, learning from user data to reduce false positives. They're also experimenting with weather API integration to adjust sensitivity during adverse conditions. In the future, Tesla plans to introduce Adaptive Sentry, which uses vehicle telematics to predict and preempt false alarms. Expert opinions suggest overly sensitive default settings contribute to the problem, with future updates expected to prioritize user experience. If problems continue, contact Tesla support. However, according to Tesla's support forums, over 70% of reported cases are resolved via app settings alone.